Hi, let's begin the next module, streamlining your cleaning and maintenance. Whether you are preparing to start your journey with short-term rental, or you already run a rental business, or maybe you are a cleaning company, stay with us to learn some useful tips on this topic. My name is Michael Borychowski and I'm the founder of Lula Cleaning, an application for managing cleaning and maintenance processes in your short-term rental business. You know, necessity is the mother of invention. The app was created out of need when I managed my properties from abroad. I was just tired of calling my cleaning team and telling them all the details. So, let us dive in, and on the following slides I'll share with you many aspects of cleaning management and things you need to consider. Now, let's look at the pain points touching cleaning and maintenance. The first one, which happens very often, is copy-pasting of information between systems. You need to grab some information and forward it to your cleaning team and tell them where and when to clean your properties. Usually, you use some kind of instant messaging app where, unfortunately, you quickly lose sight of the history. Some companies try to use Google Calendar or to-do applications, but as well, they were not prepared to fulfill our needs. Add to this some unexpected difficulties like last-minute booking you are not aware of, or the fact that guests have decided to prolong their stay. Or maybe there was a party and 1 hour would be not enough for the cleaning. Finally, it's so complicated to keep track of all the cleanings using pen and paper, but somehow you need to know how much money to pay to your employees. Introducing automation needs considering a lot of different aspects. First is the location of your properties. Are they independent properties in different places, or maybe rooms situated in one place? Are they scattered across one city, or you operate in different cities? Do you have high and low seasons? It's recommended to plan deep cleaning before high season. First consideration here is whether you are going to have your apartments cleaned by your own team, or maybe you will hire a cleaning company. Will you cooperate with just one cleaning company, or maybe you need 2 or 3? Can your apartments always be cleaned by the same person, company, or do you need dynamic daily assignments? Consider that at one point you may need to have drivers and handymen in your own team. How would you control the quality? Would you be able to visit the properties after cleaning, at least from time to time? Keep in mind that no system will exchange you in organizing regular trainings for your team. Think about additional tasks which may happen for each cleaning or property from time to time. It's, for example, always checking the Wi-Fi signal or cleaning the windows every few weeks. One of the crucial parts of maintaining the property healthy is monitoring and repair of the malfunctions found in the apartments. You would need a tool where a cleaner may report damage and upload pictures or videos, describe it, and later manager could share it with the handyman. There are still some more other aspects which you need to take into account. Of course, apart from the cleaning date, the most important thing to know is how many people arrive at the next reservation. And sometimes you even don't know it. So, your strategy would it be to prepare beds for maximum people, or let's say just 2? Sometimes guests decide to prolong their stay, and then you should not send a cleaner to the apartment. You should take care of the things left by the guests in your properties as well. Another thing is cooperation with the laundry. Do they pick your linen and towels by themselves, or you need to bring them? How often? And there is an aspect of planning purchases in advance of things like sugar or coffee, but as well soap or cleaning supplies. Last but not least, you need to know how much money to pay to your employees or contractors. Was it just the regular job done, or maybe there were some extra things like window cleaning? So the main takeaways for you is to consider, to think where you want to be in half a year, in a year or 5 years from now. How big do you want to grow your company? Do you want to have 5, 10, 50, 100, 200 properties? This is very important to plan your strategy. Consider what types of employees you need now, who would you need in the future. Define your regular tasks and implement quality control rules. Simplify as far as possible payments to your team. And, of course, you are invited to try the Lula Cleaning application. So, let me show you in short how we can help. Our app supports easy task assignments and is very flexible in terms of cooperating either with your own team or with an external company. Apart from a traditional calendar view, you have access to a day-by-day view where you can easily assign the jobs. You may individually configure a checklist for each property or booking. As well, there is possibility to report damages and upload pictures before or after cleaning. The app works universally on a desktop and mobile devices and is adjusted both for property managers and cleaning companies. There are special simplified views for roles like cleaners or handymen. And of course, you have access to all the reports and things which has happened in the system. Moreover, our app is available in 20 languages and there are automatic translations of messages. So please enjoy our special offer for you. You are invited to a 1-month free trial. It's enough time during which we will help you configure the app and enable you to utilize its full potential.